And in a few days, we will actually start to begin our potential heat wave, our history-making heat wave. And it's all going to depend on how many 90-degree days we get in a row. The longest heat wave of consecutive days of 90 degrees or warmer was 11 days back in July of 1901. In the forecast right now, we have 9, but we could see 10, 11, and that's where we would get into that history book. Now, there aren't many that are into the 8, 9, 10, 11-day stretch, only a few. So once we get up towards those amount of days, at least that long of a stretch, that's where we could be talking about some history being made once again here in West Michigan. Now, our high temperatures today will be upper 80s to around 90 once again, very similar to yesterday. A little bit of humidity out there this morning. That's why we can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm through about noon. But by that point in time, all the rain shower activity is going to be off to our south and west, and we won't have to worry about that for the rest of our Tuesday. Most will stay dry today, and we see everyone staying dry for the rest of the 7-day forecast, including the entire holiday weekend. Those temperatures currently at 65 in Big Rapids, 71 in Ludington, 72 Whitehall, Fremont, 68 in Attrition, 68 at Cedar Springs as well, 71 in Hastings, 73 in Holland, 74 in Battle Creek and Kalamazoo, some of the warmer spots there. We have 72 in Three Rivers and 75 in St. Joseph. No real relief out there as we head into the darker hours. We're only talking about those temperatures dipping into the upper 60s to around 70 for the next several nights. So the AC is going to be getting in some overtime here over the next several days. But the good news here, we're not going to have a ton of humidity out there for the stretch that we have the hot and high temperatures. Lake Michigan forecast mostly sunny outside of the isolated shower chance this morning. We do have those water temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Here's that isolated shower chance, 6 a.m. That's where things could start to pop up, and then that's moving towards the lakeshore. By noon, this is really not going to be an issue for us, and even though the models have it out there, it will probably just be an isolated cell or two, so most will stay dry this morning. Then we've got mostly sunny skies, not only for the rest of today, but into our Wednesday, into our Thursday, our Friday, our Saturday, our Sunday, Monday. We've got a long stretch where the weather is going to be very boring. So if you hear the meteorologist talking about something else other than weather, we got some time to fill here in the Weather Center. We don't have any rain shower activity anywhere close to West Michigan for this weekend, so it's going to be very hot and very bright out there for the holiday, especially July 4th, where we have 92 in the forecast. Not going to be a record-setting July 4th when it comes to the temperatures by any means necessary, but no rainfall on that 7-day forecast. So make sure you're watering those plants, keeping the grass green with quite a bit of water.